Hello everyone, this is Suresh KP from myinvestmentideas.com. Today we'll discuss about HSBC new mutual fund scheme, which is HSBC Corporate Bond Fund. Is this a low risk fund? Now let us check about what are the corporate bond funds exactly meant, right? Corporate bond funds generally are mutual funds that invest in corporate bonds. Generally, corporate or business organization sell their bonds to mutual fund for bearing short-term expenses, working capital requirement, etc. So they issue these bonds, and mutual fund houses keep purchasing those bonds. Generally, corporate bonds will invest in top-rated bonds or low-rated bonds, depending upon the investment objectives of the mutual fund. Now let us check about HSBC Corporate Bond Fund issue details. This fund would invest in corporate bonds. Scheme opens on 14 September. Scheme closes on 28 September. And like any other mutual fund scheme, this is available in direct and regular mode in a growth and dividend option. Minimum investment in lump sum is 5,000 rupees and minimum SIP is rupees 500 for 12 months period. There is no entry load, there is no exit load. The maximum expense ratio is at 2%. Now this fund, the risk category is moderate risk. Now let us check about the allocation pattern in this corporate bond fund. This fund would invest 80 to 100% in corporate bonds that have AA plus rating and above. The risk profile is low to medium here. It also invests up to 20% in corporate bonds that have AA rating and below. Means the risk profile here is medium to high. It can also invest up 20% in money market instruments, including debt instruments issued by the central and state government. Since the instruments are from central and state government, the risk profile is low here. It would also invest up to 20% in REITs and INVITs. The risk profile here is medium to high. Now let us check about some of the reasons why we need to invest in this corporate bond fund. One, corporate bond index has delivered 7.8% annualized rolling returns in the last 3 years. So corporate bond funds can provide risk-adjusted returns if one can invest between 3 to 5 years tenure. This bond fund would invest majorly in AA plus securities, which are relatively safe compared as they have high credit quality. It also invests up to 20% in government securities, which are safer in these bond funds. It invests majorly in AA plus securities, so that have low credit risk. It also these bonds are tax efficient compared to fixed deposit for those in 20%, 30% tax bracket if one is investing for more than 3 years. Now let us check about some of the negative points or the risk factors in this HSBC corporate bond fund. This invests up to 20% in AA rated and below rated bonds. Means generally these are very high risk. It invests in REITs and INVITs, which are generally considered as a high risk. Though this bond fund majorly invests up to 80% in AA plus rated bonds, such credit ratings can always be downgraded by credit rating agencies at any point of time. If there is any downgrade of such ratings, then the bond values would automatically fall. Investors should read scheme related documents carefully before investing in such schemes. Now let us check about the performance of some of the corporate bond funds which are already existing. Let us see how these funds have performed between 6 months to 5 years period. We have filtered the top five corporate bond funds. If you see, generally in the last 5 years, HDFC Corporate Bond Fund has given 9% annualized returns, and the lowest in the top five is L&T AAA's Bond Fund, which has given 8.6% returns. If you see, the 1 year returns are little high, but investors should not go with those kind of assumptions. But if you see, L&T AAA has given almost 11.6% returns, and second one, if you see, IK Birla Sun Life Corporate Bond Fund gave 11%. So, though in the last 1 year it shows very high returns, investors can safely assume anywhere between 8 to 11% returns uh, in a medium term of 3 to 5 years timeline. Now, let us check whether HSBC Corporate Bond Fund is this a low risk fund. HSBC Corporate Bond Fund invests majorly in AA plus rated corporate bonds. However, it invests 20% in AA and below rating bonds. and it also invests up 20% in REITs and INVITs, which are very, very high risk. So if you see these comments, this is not a low risk fund. The corporate bond fund is for moderate to high risk investors. If you fall in this category and understand the risk involved in these bond funds, then one can go ahead and invest for a tenure of 3 to 5 years. But if you don't want to take that kind of risk, then you can try investing in the existing corporate bond funds, which is already proved, and we know how these funds have been performing. If you are a low risk investor, then one should stay away from such mutual fund schemes at all. If you have any queries, you can write to me, Suresh at myinvestmentideas.com, or you can visit https myinvestmentideas.com for further tips. Thank you.